Hi and welcome. My name is Billy and I'm really happy to share this course with you. I've worked really hard to get as much information as I can to help you become the drummer that you want to be. I've condensed hours of one-to-one lessons into easy to understand videos that you now have access to for life. So first, I should tell you a little bit about myself. I'm a freelance drummer and drum tutor on the south coast of the UK. I've played and toured with bands across Europe, played on TV commercials that have been shown worldwide, and more importantly for you, over the past 20 years, I've studied and taught hundreds of drummers the very same information as I'm going to teach you in this course. Some of them now have careers as drummers themselves, so I'm really pleased that you found this course. So my philosophy of learning the drums is that rather than looking at learning the drums as learning one thing after another, actually playing the drums is like developing a spider's web of skills rather than a linear pattern of learning one thing after another. Improving one skill of drumming will often have a positive effect on another area of your drumming. So I've developed this course to give you a wide range of skills that can be related to each other. And the more you learn and the more you practice, the bigger your web of skills will grow. There's also so many specialist areas of drums that you can study. So using the spider's web analogy, you may want to develop or improve one part of your drumming or your web of skills more than another, and that's absolutely fine. But the basics though are always the same, and this lays the foundations and the building blocks to work from. With any instrument, the more you practice, the better you'll get. So often it isn't just about playing things once and forgetting about it. It's about developing that skill over time and using it in your playing, and improving one area of your drumming, like I say, will most likely improve another area. To help you with this, I've condensed hundreds of hours of drum lessons into this course to give you a concise way of learning, but you will have to practice. The more you practice, the better you will get. The course has hours of HD video of quality instruction to help you, multiple camera angles so you can see what's going on, and everything is supported by downloadable audio tracks and written music that you can download and print. I'll also relate the content of the course to songs where I can, so you can have some context of what you're learning, so you know you're learning skills that are useful and applicable. There's no point in having loads of skills on the drums if you can't apply it to something musical, so that's what we have a look at too. So many great drummers, and actually this is the same for a lot of musicians in general, that they have loads and loads of skills, like they can play lots of technical exercises and have loads of chops, as we call it. You can play really fast, but actually when it comes to playing something simple, they can't do it to a high standard, or they can't play what is asked of them. So it's pointless really. It's pointless playing with someone who can't play something simple. So you need to practice each area of what you're taught over and over. You will need to repeat lots of exercises to get better, and you will see an improvement in your playing. The more you practice, the more you will improve. And with lifetime access to the course, you can revisit any of the lectures however many times you like. It's always good to go back over things again, and when your skill level has increased, you can go back and play it 10 times better in the future. Also, if you really struggle with something, then it's sometimes better to take a break or to move on to the next thing, as sometimes you need to give your brain a break to process the information that you've been giving it. It sometimes takes a while to sink in, so try not to rush the content of the course too quickly, and you'll need to practice. Practice, practice, practice. I keep on saying practice. You need to practice everything slowly, as well as developing and improving the speed of your playing. The general rule is to practice everything slightly slower than the maximum of what you're comfortable with. So you're just within your limits while you're practicing, so you develop your speed without losing your technique and everything else that you've learned with it. So I hope you enjoy the course, and I hope you enjoy the journey of learning, and if there's anything you don't understand or you're not sure on, get involved, use the discussion and ask me a question, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Happy learning!